A very good morning to my dear kids. Children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn lesson number 7. Let's get ready. Children, as the name suggests, all of you love to wear new clothes and accessories, isn't it? You wear different types of clothes while going to any party or outing. But children, tell me one thing. Are there same type of clothes for both boys and girls? No. Children, there are different types of clothes and accessories for girls and boys, right? Girls wear different types of clothes and accessories. In the same way, for boys too, different types of clothes and accessories are there. Today, we are going to do one activity. We are going to classify clothes and accessories for boys and girls. So children, let's start an activity. Lesson number 7. Let's get ready. James is going for a party with his sister Sarah, but their clothes and accessories have all got mixed. Can you help them sort this? So children, as you can see here, different types of clothes and accessories are given, such as frock, sandals, t-shirt, skirt, purse, pant, hairband, belt, jacket, shoes, necklace, watch. Here, a boy named James and a girl named Sarah are going for a party and they want to get ready. But as the things are mixed up, they are not able to get ready. So kids, now let's classify the clothes and accessories for James and Sarah. What we have to do? Let's read the question. Fill in the following table with clothes and accessories for James and Sarah. So children, here two columns are given. One is for James and another one is for Sarah. And what we have to do? We have to classify the clothes and accessories for James and Sarah. So now let's start the activity. Now let's see, the first picture is of frock. So who will wear the frock? Sarah. So we have to write frock in the column given for Sarah. Which is the next picture? Sandals. So sandals will also be written in column for Sarah. Third picture is of t-shirt. Who will wear the t-shirt? James. Then next picture is of skirt. So Sarah will wear the skirt. Then the next picture is of purse. So purse will be written in the column given for Sarah. Pant. Who will wear the pant? James. Next picture is Sarah. Belt for James. Then jacket. Who will wear the jacket? James will wear the jacket, right? Then the next picture is of shoes. Who will wear the shoes? James. The next picture is of necklace. Sarah will wear the necklace. Watch. Watch will be written in the column for James. Now we have classified clothes and accessories for both James and Sarah. I hope you have enjoyed and understood today's session. We will meet soon in the next lecture. Till then, have a good day. Bye. Thank you. Hello students, good morning. Welcome to today's GK session. Today we are going to learn lesson number 8, hobbies. So today we are going to discuss and talk about the activities or hobbies which you like to do. So children, tell me, when you are at home, how do you spend your free time? Apart from studies, you may like to watch movies, play different games, reading storybooks or other activities, isn't it? You all enjoy doing this activity. So children, some of you may like to play different games, some of you may like to sing or dance, and some of you may just love to read different storybooks, isn't it? So everyone has likes and dislikes. So what are these activities other than your studies called? They are called hobbies. Hobbies are activities that we like to do when we are free. So everyone should have hobbies. People choose a hobby that they find interesting. Different people have different likes and dislikes. Therefore, different people have different hobbies. We should choose activities that we like doing so that we enjoy and learn at the same time. Now, let us see different types of hobbies. First, painting. Second, dancing. Third, reading. Fourth, gardening. Fifth, camping. Sixth, collecting coins. Seventh, photography. Eighth, singing. Ninth, cycling. 10th, cooking. So children, these are some of the hobbies which we can have. How are hobbies helpful to us? Hobbies keep us busy and fresh. Hobbies of outdoor games or sports keep us healthy, busy, and fresh. Hobbies help us to be creative. For example, painting, drawing, clay modeling, etc. And they help us to learn new things. For example, reading books help us to know new things. A collection of stamps and coins helps us learn about different countries. So children, hobbies play a very important role in our lives. They make us feel happy. Without hobbies, we feel dull. Hobbies are a source of recreation and rest. So children, you should choose activities that you like doing so that you can enjoy and at the same time you can learn. Thank you.